Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Aulia Fitratunisa. You can call me Aulia. I major in psychology from the University of Borobudur.
My name is Cica Octaviani. You can call me Cica. I major in management from University of Borobudur.
My name is Azah Salsabila. You can call me Azah. I major in management from the University of Borobudur.
As we already know that the Indonesian people seem to have become the voters of foreign products. We tend to be more proud of the products of other people than the product of our own nation children. Effort to other foreign products seem to be installed in various ways, for example, lyrics in song or conversation in films.
Whether we realize it or not, the expression in the film affect millions and even hundreds of millions of Indonesians to the lowest strata of society, being influenced to boast about foreign products. Regarding domestic products, it is not only about clothing or fashion, but also traditional food, traditional songs, traditional dance, and many more.
Well, on this occasion we will discuss about domestic products in the form of traditional food and traditional dance. Regarding traditional Indonesian food and dance, nowadays people are more dominant towards foreign cultures. There are several things that affect Indonesian people towards foreign cultures. One of which is from foreign films that are in great demand by millennials today because of the high curiosity of millennials, making them use the culture in the film as a reference to follow the lifestyles of outsiders, such as they consume fast food, ramen, samyang. In addition to food, they prefer dance from outside rather than local. In my opinion, of Indonesian people currently prefer to consume foreign food. It is a natural thing. Just to try or curiosity is not a problem. However, the presence of food from abroad makes Indonesian people forget their own culture. But it's different with myself. I prefer authentic Indonesian food to foreign food. There are also many people out there who prefer Indonesian food because it might have been a habit since childhood, or because the outside food doesn't match the taste of the Indonesian tongue. The dance in Indonesian are very diverse, but unfortunately today's generation prefers dance that come from abroad. In my opinion, dance from abroad are indeed fun and can also entertain ourselves. Even so, we must not forget our own culture and still preserve it.
Why not with fast food, such as burgers? It has become a habit for Indonesian people to make breakfast because it is practical and can be taken or eaten anywhere without having to make it complicated like traditional food. I think there is nothing wrong with helping the Indonesian people. Most of the foreign foods are also very easy to get anywhere, even can be ordered online without having to go to the place or make it first. The price also varies, not too expensive, and can be bought by the middle to lower class. Indonesia is rich in various kinds of delicious culinary. Indonesian food is very popular. Even rendang is included in the top list of the most delicious food in the world. Unfortunately, Indonesian food is not very well known internationally, even compared to other Southeast Asian specialties such as Thailand, and Vietnam. It is true that Indonesian cuisine is very popular and well liked, but it is not yet well known. It's different from Korean, Japanese, or Thai, and even Vietnam food. It's because of the lack of international promotion. Cuisine from other countries is so well known because of its large community abroad.
In my opinion, traditional food and foreign food are culture in the era of globalization. Because if we look at people who consume traditional food and regional food, they are compared to people who consume foreign food equally. The difference lies in the person. Let's look at the elements of the millennial era. They prefer to consume food from outside, while the old people prefer to consume local food, be it gado-gado, gudeg, rendang, etc. They are consume quite a lot of outside foods such as burgers, pizza, hot dog, ramen, etc. Likewise, in terms of dance, many regional dance are combined with external dance or can be called contemporary dance. Why is it like that? Because the Indonesian people are people who have a lot of innovation and creativity. As we can see, the traditional dance that has become worldwide today, namely the Saman dance, has been known to foreign countries, and those who introduced it were the Indonesian children themselves. Then they saw dance or dance from foreign countries. Finally, a contemporary dance culture emerged that was made by the national children today. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention. We say goodbye. See you on the next podcast. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.